Hello everyone, my name is Tamara T. I am your Amazon FBA BFF. In this YouTube video, I will be revealing to you the top 5 winning products to sell on Amazon FBA that make over $10,000 every single month. I have been teaching people how to successfully sell products on Amazon FBA for 5 whole years. And I know that this journey can be challenging. How do you know how to choose a product that is considered to be a home run winning product? There are so many things to look out for and so many questions left unanswered from beginner Amazon sellers and even experienced Amazon sellers. You may be looking for a new product to sell, but how do you actually know that this is a good opportunity? I personally picked out some winning products before filming this video so I can give you guys a good example on what a winning product actually looks like so you can have a clear idea on how to choose products for yourself. Without wasting any time, let's dive right in and have a look at these winning products. Hey guys, I am going to reveal to you the top 5 winning products I came across when I was doing Amazon product research. But I also want to explain to you what makes these products so damn good so you can get an idea and make decisions with your Amazon FBA products, and hopefully the products that you choose can make you the same amount of money. So the first product that I found was Unicorn Stationery. Now you guys may know this or maybe you don't, but any unicorn product being sold on Amazon is super popular. You can type in unicorn toys, unicorn pillows, unicorn birthday supplies. Anything that is unicorn is super duper popular. Now, what I like about the Unicorn Stationery is that you can price it at whatever price point you are comfortable with. So this means that when you buy these pieces of products for each unit, you can buy it with the amount that you can afford and that you are comfortable with. So this seller is listing their Unicorn Stationery for $11.99. But we also have this seller over here who is listing it at $24.95. Obviously, this seller has a bigger budget and they can splurge more on the different types of products that go into a per unit here. But this seller right here may be working with a less budget, but they can also still make money selling their Unicorn Stationery. So without looking further on page 1, let's have a look and let's see what makes this product so damn good. So I am pulling up my Helium 10 Chrome extension. You guys should have this installed in your Chrome extension as well. Make sure you guys take advantage of 20% off the Helium 10 software using my code right here. I will also link it in the YouTube description below. So just click on that link to get 20% off to save you guys some money. So I want to sort the revenue from big to small. And I want to make sure that all of these products are Unicorn Stationery. It looks like this one is a unicorn pencil case. Okay, somewhat related, not bad. And then we have a unicorn pop purse. So this is not a stationery. I want to remove that because I only want to look at stationery. This is a wooden pencil holder. Not stationary, well, not that unicorn related specific. So I want to remove that as well. And this looks like legal pad writing pads. We will remove that. So after you remove the products that are not Unicorn Stationery, you are left with the ones that are. So this gives me so many product ideas. I can source a product that has like a pencil case with it, or this one that looks like it's a colored gel type of ink pen. This one is scented. I love scented products as a kid. I don't know about you guys, but as a little girl, I love like scented stickers, scented felt markers and all that stuff. It's a lot of fun for kids. So there's a ton of ideas here. Now, if I look at the revenue, there are a few sellers making at least 5 figures in sales and more from selling selling the unicorn stationery, and you can come in here and take a piece of the pie as well. So the average revenue is $7,820. Not bad for a beginner product. If you are an experienced seller, then maybe you want to look at average revenue a little higher because you want to make a lot more money. But for a beginner and you are trying to get your feet wet, you want to learn the entire Amazon FBA business model, you want to make some money on a low budget, then this product is the way to go. So if I go to Alibaba.com and I type in unicorn stationery, I can differentiate this product so many ways. And that is another reason why I love the unicorn product, right? I can differentiate it by the pencil case, like I talked about, the scented markers. There are so many different ways. It all comes down to what you can afford and what you are happy with. So if I go down the pages on Alibaba, I can see that this unicorn liquid pen only costs 39 cents to source. And then this is a unicorn fun eraser. It's only 8 cents to source. And this one, 40 cents. And this is 35 cents for a pen. And if I keep going down, there are tons of cheap products. This is like a stationery kind of notebook, I guess. This is 40 cents. So you can see that all of the pieces that I am going to include into one single unit in my pack of unicorn stationery is super duper cheap to source, and I can sell it with an average price of $15. If we want to sell it for a higher price point, we can. We can sell it for closer to $24.95, just like how this top seller is doing. So that's why I love the unicorn stationery product. Tons of room for differentiation, lots of fun. Everybody loves unicorns, super cheap to source, and you get to price it at a price point that is comfortable for you. By the way, if you guys are new to selling products on Amazon and you need help with finding winning products just like the one that I am showing you on today's video, then make sure you get my free training for Amazon in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name, enter your email address, and watch the training to the end because you get to apply for a free one-on-one call with my team, and they will walk you through the entire process on how you can find profitable products to sell on Amazon that will give you nice profit margins and that will pay you every single month. The second product that I found to be a winning product when I was doing product research is Inspirational wall decor. So a lot of times when we are doing Amazon product research, we are forced to sell products that we are not passionate about, we are not super excited about, and that's fine. I mean, as long as a product makes money and has good profit margins, I always tell sellers, go ahead and source it. But with this type of product, I feel like you could put some of your passion into it and you can put a quote that you like onto a product like this. So if you guys go on social media, you go on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, there are quotes everywhere, right? So whatever it is that you believe in, whatever quote that you love, you can put it onto like, I guess like a wooden board like this, or however this is made. This looks like a plaque of some sort, rustic wall decor. This is a wooden box. You can put it on whatever type of material that you want. And these products are to be hung on the wall. So when someone wakes up, they read the quote and it sets the mood for the day. So this is a product that is not common. Like I said, I've never seen anybody source this product. And when I pull up my Helium 10 Chrome extension, it's doing really good. It's doing well. So if I sort the revenue from big to small, this seller right here is selling their Inspirational wall decor for $21.99, and they are making over $54,000 per month. Now, there are a lot of top sellers here that make over $10,000 in revenue every month, more than the unicorn stationery. So this is a good sign. This tells us that there are lots of sellers making money. So if you can improve the product, put on a really good quote that you believe in, that is inspirational, and you have a lower price point, better quality, whatever it is that you can differentiate, and list it to sell on Amazon for a good price of $15 and more, you can come in here and take a piece of the pie. So this product is ideal for someone who is really passionate about quotes. There's some people out there who spend their time reading quotes all day. I think this product is for you. You cannot break it. You can customize it. You can list it at a higher price point, lower. And let's check out quickly how much it costs to source. Let's just put in the same keywords. You guys want to put in the exact same keywords here. Inspirational wall decor. And Alibaba will give you some price points on how much that will cost to source. Now, a huge tip for you, if you decide to go with something big, heavy, and has a lot more material that goes into this plaque, then it will cost more. If you go with something simpler and lighter, then it will cost less. I mean, this looks like a poster, inspirational quote canvas. This one is 93 cents. And then you can sell it on Amazon for 15 bucks. It's like, hello, why is that not a good deal? If you guys are interested in a step-by-step Amazon product research tutorial, then I suggest you to watch this most recent product research tutorial right here that you see on the screen. I go more in detail about finding winning products. Now, the next product that I found to be really good is Mermaid Party Favors. Did I spell favors correctly? I know Canadians spell it differently. Anyways, Mermaid Party Favors. So you guys probably can already guess why I chose this product as a winning product. You can differentiate it in so many different ways. You can be different. You can stand out, and you bet it is super cheap to source. So if I look at these bubble wands, let's just type in mermaid bubble wands in case you want to include a mermaid bubble wand in your unit, in one of your units. They are super duper cheap to source. I believe it's like a few cents. Like obviously you will have to customize it, but this bubble wand is 76 cents. This one costs a lot more because it plays music. Okay, we're not going to go with that one. There you go. Something simple like this. Ask the supplier to put like a mermaid character on it and it's 5 cents. It's super freaking cheap. So you can add different things. It looks like right here you have bubble wands. This looks like it's a bracelet, some tattoos, some keychains, some party bags. And then down here we have more bubble wands. We have, are these little bracelets? Bracelets, stickers. This looks like notepads. So as you can see, there are many different ways to differentiate. Super cheap to source. And you bet you can list it at whatever price point that you feel is good for you, but obviously has to have a good profit margin so you can actually make money on this product. So let's pull up our Helium 10 Chrome extension, click on X-ray, and sort the revenue from big to small. Mine is already sorted because I did that earlier. And again, remove any products that are not related to a mermaid party favor. It looks like there was one in here that was not related. This looks like Ocean Animals Dig Kit. Okay, we will remove that. But just by quickly looking at the revenue, there are a few sellers making over $10,000 in revenue every month, which means it's a really good sign. What you do not want, you guys, is the revenue to be way down here, like in the low thousands, and the biggest amount of revenue that you see is like 5,000. That would be a red flag. What you want to look at is other sellers that are making money, so you can look at their product reviews, see what people are complaining about, and then you can source a better version of your product. So this is the mermaid bracelet. I was actually looking into this product before. I thought it was a lot of fun and I wanted it when I was a little girl. Anyways, getting off topic, let's move on to the fourth winning product that I found. This next product right here is something that you never thought of before, and it is the stuffed animal storage. So I like this product because it is light, it is small, it is cheap. A lot of the same reasons why I always choose winning products, all for the same reasons. But this one, there's almost no customization if you were to find a supplier on Alibaba.com to source this product, because there's not much you can customize besides adding your own logo to the product. So if I type in stuffed animal storage and I see the products on Alibaba.com, it's like right here, there's not much to customize. I just message the supplier and I say, hey, can I get a sample? I want to feel the quality. And if the quality checks out, all I am going to do is give them my logo so they can add it onto the product, add in made in China, add in some packaging, and that's it. Like there's nothing to customize because this product is already customized. You can probably find like thousands of these on Alibaba.com that is already customized. So this saves you a ton of time. You don't have to go back and forth about sizing, color, material, any of that because it's already here. I looked into this product previously, so I know all this. But this is a really good product and it is a winning product because I promise you it's making money. That's all we care about around here, right? We want to find products that make money. So if I sort the revenue from big to small, wow, $3 million. But remember to remove the products. So remove this guy and remove this one because this is a toy chest, right? We're not sourcing toy chests. We are sourcing stuffed animal storage, something that looks like this. Remove the laundry baskets. This one, I mean, this one kind of makes sense. So let's remove these three. That leaves us with 2 million. It seems like there's a lot of different types of products here. So let's just remove all those. Don't want to spend too much time doing this. So let me just remove these guys. So I know for a fact by doing research before this video that this product makes a shitload of money, you guys, so much money. And it's so simple to source. There's very little you have to change. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a little more expensive depending on which one you want to go with. It costs a little bit more, obviously not like our Mermaid party favors, not like our unicorn stationery, which costs a few cents. But for anybody who is watching this video that is experienced, it's a higher price point for sure, but there is a ton of money to be made. Tons of sellers making 6 figures every month compared to 5 figures. So that is the 4th winning product. And let's get to the last winning product. I've sold a lot of products in the toys and games category, and I just love kids products, even before I had kids. So you bet it is another kids product. It is the kids diary. So when I was a kid, I had a lot of diaries. I'm not sure if it's more geared towards females, but I think males can use this as well. And this product is just simple. It's just a simple product and you can add it into a bigger quantity. So if I wanted to source a pack of 3, I can do that, pack of 4, pack of 2, and all you have to do is slightly adjust it. See, this one comes with a diary. It comes with, let's check this out. It looks like it comes with a pen, a keychain, and some stickers. Maybe all you need to do is add more stickers. Or maybe you want to make this into a 2-pack. Or maybe you want to add an additional pen. And if you were to do that, you list it at the same price as your competitor. And guess what? Your customers will go to you because you are adding more for the same price. Now, your margins may shrink just a bit, but you are gaining so many more customers. And when you have a lot of customers on Amazon, you will rank to the first page super quick. So I'm not telling you to copy this design because that's silly. You can make a better design, a cuter design, but what you want to do easily is, well, the idea is already here. You just add more to it. So again, you may be paying like a couple cents more, but you are adding a lot more and customers will obviously choose your product over your competitors because you are adding more. So same goes for this product. It has 492 reviews. You guys notice how low the review counts are? Right? These are only in the low hundreds compared to products that you see on Amazon that are always thousands and thousands of reviews. This only has like, 37, 309. And I was right. Looks like it is for boys as well, for males as well. So I love this product. I think it's suitable for every single kid. And you can easily just add more for a few cents, make it into a bigger pack or whatever it is, and then sell your own version of the product on Amazon. I hope today's YouTube video has helped you guys identify winning products. It's a lot easier than what people make it out to be. If you guys have any questions, please drop it in the comment section below. Give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week in my new YouTube video.